Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to give you my recipe for my no bake, no fail chocolate truffles or snowballs. I'm going to start with some peanut butter, and I softened it a little bit in the microwave. There's no definite amount. That is probably about 1 cup, and I have a half a cup of brown sugar and just about 2 heaping tablespoons of cocoa powder. And I'm going to mix all that together. Like that. And I'm going to chill this in the refrigerator until I can handle it to form balls and it will keep its shape. So about 10 minutes. And while I'm chilling my batter, I made up some cocoa and a bit of sugar. And I'm just going to mix those together like that. So I'm just going to form these into balls, roll them up, drop them into my cocoa and sugar mixture. Give them a shake, like that. And I'm going to place them on a plate, and I will refrigerate them until they're firm again. Okay, I have chilled my balls, and there they are. I'm going to place them in a little cup. And there you have some very easy, no bake, no fail truffles or chocolate snowballs. And if you combine them with the no-bake pecan clusters that I did in the last video, you'll have a lovely assortment of very easy to prepare Christmas bonbons that you can take to your next outing or serve to your guests. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.